So what is cryptocurrency? In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about cryptocurrency and turn you from a crypto noob to a crypto master. All you have to do is sit tight, relax, watch this video to the end and subscribe. First of all, I'll tell you what is cryptocurrency and how does it work. Then we'll look into its security. Is it actually safe to invest? Will I lose all of my money? Is it actually a scam? Well, everything is risky if we have no knowledge of it. And lastly, why is it so valuable? Should I really invest into it? Why is everybody buying cryptocurrency, sit on the rocket and fly off to the moon? Remember, I will answer a lot of your questions, but this is an education video, not an investment advice. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is like any other currency and we can use it for daily trading. For example, I can use this $1 note here to buy anything. Or I can use cryptocurrency like Ethereum to buy an NFT. So what is an NFT? I'll explain to you in another video. But right now, all you have to know is cryptocurrency and this $1 note here is just simply a normal currency we use for daily trading. The only difference between this $1 note and cryptocurrency is that cryptocurrency is digital. Then you will ask me what's the difference between cryptocurrency and the digital money in your bank account. The digital money in your bank account is just a data of records that keep track of how much you have. For example, when you buy an item online, the bank deducts the amount from your bank account and adds the amount to the business online bank account. Crypto works almost the same way, but instead of multiple banks communicating with each other and each of them having their own records, cryptocurrency is a network of computers all around the world processing the same records. We call it ledger entry. This huge ledger entry keeps track of all the transactional data of cryptocurrency. And it keeps track from the very beginning when the cryptocurrency is created until right this moment. And the structure is called blockchain. The reason we call it blockchain because the transactional data is recorded in a block. For example, this block here has the transactional data from who to who and how many amount. And this block has a unique hash code for it. And it has a previous hash code where it identifies the previous block. So if we have a previous block with this hash code, it will then chain up together and form a blockchain. That's why it is called blockchain. So here comes the question. Who is doing all this processing for you? In the case of the bank, when you do something and purchasing online, the bank will update the records for you. Whereas for cryptocurrency, Bitcoin miners do that for you. So we call them Bitcoin miners because they use their computer to compute these large entries and update the records for you. And in return, the system will give them a newly minted Bitcoin. We call this process mining. And this idea is such a good idea right now is because the system is always up and running and there are virtually no downtime at all. Unlike the bank, when we do some international transfer, it takes 3 to 5 business days for the approval to go through. So now comes the question, is cryptocurrency safe? Will it be hacked or taken down one day and suddenly everything just disappeared and you lost all your money? Well, it's a known fact that cryptocurrency is actually more safer than you put your money in the bank. Cryptocurrency, the crypto means cryptography, and the cryptography, also known as encryption, is actually very safe. It uses decentralized and blockchain system to keep it very secure, whereas the bank is centralized and everything is governed by the bank or the government. I will explain to you what is decentralized and centralized means. So what is centralized? Our financial system right now is centralized because the bank keeps all our data and the government has full authority over it. It is centralized in one place. The money they are holding right now has value because the government says so. And the value depends on how much we trust in our government. Whereas for Bitcoin, Bitcoin is like a gold bar. It is a commodity in itself and is always valuable. The cryptocurrency network like the Bitcoin is decentralized. Nobody has control over it. The network is decentralized to all the cryptocurrency miners and everybody is anonymous. The reason everybody is anonymous because everybody use wallets that has a public unique address to store the crypto. Unlike the bank, we need to open an account under our name and store the money under that name. Cryptocurrency transactions are being monitored by cryptocurrency miners all around the world. When we want to do some transaction in the cryptocurrency, all the ledger entries from all around the world in the cryptocurrency network has to be updated. Therefore, it is decentralized to everyone. So is cryptocurrency safe? Let's say you are a hacker and you're trying to make yourself some bitcoins. Let's say for this transaction here, I try to update the block from Bitcoin to 1 million Bitcoin. When I do that, the hash of this block will change. When the hash of this block change, the subsequent block will not be able to valid as they can't find this hash anymore. Therefore, it cannot pass through. So in order to do that, you need to change all the hash inside the blockchain. But if you do that, it will still not be able to pass through as there are millions and millions of crypto miners with their own respective ledger entries. The system will cross-check against yours and found out that you are the odd one out and majority of them are correct. Therefore, it will still not be able to pass through unless you're able to hack all the millions and millions of crypto miners' computers and update their ledger entry, which is close to nearly impossible to do so. Therefore, cryptocurrency is actually very safe. If you compare cryptocurrency and the banking system, I think cryptocurrency is much more safer. Cryptocurrency have no third-party involvement. Therefore, the processes and the transactions are being done and being made much more quicker. In the case of international transfer, we don't have to wait for 3 to 5 business days if we use cryptocurrency, unlike the bank. And cryptocurrency is open and public to all. There will be no validation and no third-party involvement. There are no documentation, no credit check. Therefore, everybody and everyone can use cryptocurrency. When with cryptocurrency and all these features, we now are in a new era of exchange. Since cryptocurrency is anonymous, then you might be figuring out, is it highly used in crimes and illegal activities? Well, cryptocurrency is public. The ledger entry can be traced by everyone and is very much more traceable than the money in your bank. So it makes more sense for the criminal to use this paper cash rather than cryptocurrency, as this paper cash is almost and nearly untraceable. And if you can see this chart here, cryptocurrency as is very traceable, the crime activity used on cryptocurrency is getting much more lower. So, should you invest? Should you jump in this crypto rocket and fly off to the moon? Should you put all your life saving into crypto right now? Again, this is an education video, not an investment advice. But it's actually no-brainer not to get involved, as crypto offers so much more perks in it. Basically, everybody can use cryptocurrency as there are no third-party involvement. Everything is decentralized. Everybody is anonymous. There are no downtime, and every transaction is being processed instantly. There's simply no restriction, and with so many perks, and it's impossible to tamper with, and it's very secure. Now, cryptocurrency is being treated as a commodity. It's same as a gold bar right now. For example, cryptocurrency like Ethereum is being utilized in a lot of fields, and it's very valuable right now, which I will cover up in another video. Everybody wants a piece of Bitcoin right now. When Bitcoin is first created, there are only 21 million finite supply in the market. And Bitcoin mining rewards half every 4 years. This creates an even more scarcity, and it creates an even more higher value for the Bitcoin using the supply-demand rules. So we expect to see Bitcoin to go up even higher. And the most recent halving is at 19 April 2024. Therefore, right now, Bitcoin is again in the bullish stage. So the only risk involved in cryptocurrency is ignorance. Coins and tokens in cryptocurrencies are made differently. Coins take years to perfect it because of the coding and the encryption needed, whereas tokens can be done in the matter of seconds. Therefore, there are a lot of token scams and pumps and dumps occur using tokens. All cryptocurrencies are created differently, which all of them having different functionality, and I will cover them all in another video. If you like this type of video, please like, share and subscribe and show me your support, and I'll see you in a bit. Peace.